Ah, you see that?
If I don't get my recap, he doesn't get his recap.
What's up, guys? Yeah, so part of Gridlife prep has been getting the Supra back together. I kind of gave Victor a really insane schedule. We need to get the rest of the AERO package, the RS Future AERO package on the car before this thing ships out to World Time Attack. Kind of the logistic thing sucks because this has to ship out of Oakland. It's obviously here on the East Coast, so I'm actually transporting this out to Gridlife, which is in Michigan, almost a midway point. And then it's gonna get picked up from there to go the rest of the way to Oakland. And by the time I realized that the date was coming up, I had Victor, who's been jamming on the truck, basically stop everything and finish the Supra. So it's been an immense amount of work to get the flat bottom floor on, mount the diffuser and the splitter in the right spot. So there's been a lot of work that he's had to do to kind of get the entire AERO package like on here legit perfectly. Everything looks really freaking good. The way he mounted everything is killer. So he actually added a lot of extra stuff, like these nice little sheet metal panels to box everything in so the air can't get trapped in there. Huge step in the right direction for this thing and getting the rest of the AERO package on, so I'm stoked. Massive thanks to Victor for making it happen. It's been a lot of work for him for sure. I didn't think you could get this much shit done, dude.
4 o'clock in the morning until freaking 8.
Good job, Victor.
Stop. Seriously. Stop. Nice.
Come on.
Yeah!
You got an AERO package on her. All right, guys, Gridlife prep, we are loaded. Justin's S13 is in the front. This was a nightmare. I got the East Coast car in by myself. It's hanging off each side by maybe 3-inch contact patch, but she's strapped down good. And then the Supra, baby. The boys that get on the road, I'm flying out, but Zach behind the camera, Bobby, and Scott are all driving out together. Hopefully it goes smooth. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boys, we will see you in Michigan. Yes, sir.
See you in Michigan. Scott, you ready?
Ready, we're rolling.
Ready, Bobby?
Ready?
Well, boys, in a bit of a situation.
You can drop this down and tighten them a little bit. I'll go put this stuff away. So we're in the middle of Pennsylvania somewhere. We had a tire blowout a few miles back on the highway. It was super sketchy. Trucks were flying right back by us and everything. We didn't have the socket to pull the wheel off. Amateur hour there, Ryan. So we got the spare on, and now we're getting 2 new ones to put on the front axle, so we have the spare and then a loose wheel tire.
I'll try it once. It's not. It didn't work. I'll throw the bar at it.
It looked like it was pretty close, you know. Nice job, thank you.
Now you've been in pure Michigan. Maybe a little bit different.
Made it, boys. All right, boys, we got our vans. They're gonna escort us into our spot, chill for a little bit, and start unloading this thing. We made it, Scott.
We made it, brother.
What
God,
the?
look at those things. Tuerck.
Looks like we got some rain coming, so we're gonna put the Easy up over the Supra, get that car covered up so nothing gets wet. We worrying, Scott?
No, we're not. You're off the clock. There's nothing to worry
We're
about.
good, buddy. It's all good.
Here comes the rain, boys. I think we got everything covered up. Justin's car is still in here. Now we just gotta ride it out. All right, boys, we just got Justin's car out. We got all the cars out now, and we can slowly start putting the toter set up, get the pit area look good, and Ryan should be here in the next couple hours. We did a lot.
The awning ain't even set up.
Keep it up and you two are driving this thing home.
Zach's over here filming nothing worth using.
Sucking Zach. Help.
You an electrician?
I am now. Apparently better than Rich.
What do you think of the electrical work over there?
Scary, typical Tuerck shit.
What's up, guys? We made it to Gridlife. We got the awning finally set up.
If I don't get my recap, he doesn't get his recap.
Get your thing out of here. Come on. Run out of daylight here.
I can't on my keys.
What's up, guys? We made it to Gridlife, and we're all set up. We got some lights that work and some that don't. Still working on the awning situation. Ready to rip tomorrow? Let's do it.
What you got?
Breakfast.
What are you using?
Well, icy propyl alcohol.
How you doing, dog? I'm a little sweaty.
Okay, no. We're all sweaty today. One, really?
My buddies are like, oh, you won't find that. I'm like, no, it's cool as hell.
You want to hold this?
Making mods, baby. So the car's getting super hot, like super hot. I can only do like 2 turns, which is crazy. I guess Rad Dan and Dylan were both having the same problem. So Biddies is in the ECU right now, lowering the thermal switch so the fans come on at probably 165. We are just gonna trim out our 2F Performance deck lid so that we have just a big gaping hole here for the air to just come straight out. And hasn't been a problem yet till now. You know, do some mods. Wait. We want to keep it rounded, baby.
Got a big mouth now, huh, Bobby?
Big mouth.
Glove. Gotta have lunch, baby.
You see that?
You see that? You see that?
Scott's gonna be famous in the grid. I know, this guy's telling Scott. That's a good spot.
Second session, we got some more ventilation. We got our thermal switch lowered to 165, and then we're gonna go try to rip with Dylan, Rad Dan, who am I missing?
JTP.
And JTP. So hopefully the second session we get some solid tandem. Hit that thermal switch one more time. Alright, well, last two sessions kind of sucked. Car overheated because a rad cap popped off. We got to fill back up with water, went back out there to make sure it was okay, and it's okay, but it's still just getting so hot after like 2 turns. I feel like there's something happening. There's no way, no reason why the cooling system is not working at all. And I biddies go through it, check some logs, and just see if there's like a voltage drop in the fans or the electric water pump or something.
Do you know what you're doing?
Why the f would I? Guy tape? Let's go. Gorilla gaff tape. What are we on the movie set? If I get busted over here, I'm gonna get so much f***ing trouble. Fired. Probably get fired, I don't know. I doubt it. I'm too valuable apparently, so I'm told.
There it is, Scott.
Damn straight, buddy. I'm not certain how this is going to work.
Well, that's why I'm going to use this. Are you going to cut it today or not?
I want you to hold it still.
Yeah.
You're not having sex yet. You can slow down a little bit. Let's go.
Thank you, Scott.
Thanks, Scott.
Thanks, Scott.
Roll it. Awesome.
Day 2. We tried to get a new water pump in it in time to head back out on track. We didn't make it. We got a fresh water pump in it. It's actually a little cooler today so far. So I'm hoping something changes on this thing and temps are a little bit more sustainable. Getting some food ready, getting the merch table ready, just changed some oil. That's it. Let's go.
Legit.
I need to to go
So you
out.
were out, right?
I don't know if there's like so tight.
We're all done doing all the work.
Update, guys. Update. So last session was brutal. Pulled the tie rod threads out of the rack. We're able to cut the bad threads off, reuse them. So the rack is like, it's definitely not the most ideal situation, but there's enough like thread engagement to make it okay. So we're gonna roll with that for the next session. The temps are a little bit better, not awesome. Still don't feel like something's correct. We had a couple good laps out there. Previously, Dylan was on our door, so that was good. And we got another session to go. So hopefully that'll be our freaking banger for the weekend.
You ready?
Let's go, baby.
Let's do it.
Fuck this up.
Bobby said that. Bobby said
Well, you don't.
That's not what I said.
I don't deserve
That's
that
also
kind of
not what I said. I said, do you ever notice how everything gets harder when you're around?
because you guys are lacking structure.
Condom on the car. It's Justin shit leaks all over the place. But the person laughing is you because you have the best running car all week.
Yeah, and I probably had the most fun too out of everybody here.